Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Michael Williams from Just Strands LLC Philadelphia, and I'm back at the booth and the machines that we use every day, General. And right now we're talking about the X-Pod Plus. Great machine. Great thing about this, battery operated. You want to pop this open? You want to hit that button? Give it a second, it's going to go black, and then it's going to come right back on. This machine has so many different extras, it's mind-boggling. One of them is that you can record, okay, and you can also show it to your customer at the same time. You get 200 feet of push, okay, so it's definitely going to get you to that blockage or to that problem in the line like you need to have to. And the great thing about it is, at any given time, you can do Wi-Fi with this, and you can send it right to your customer, so everybody's on the same page. As I always say, pound for pound, General gets down, and General's got what you need right now. X-Pod Plus.